Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, good morning. Welcome to our online English classes. I am Mohammad Sohrab Hossain, Assistant Headmaster, Tamta Adorsho Uchcho Bidyalay, Tamta Shaharasti Chatpur. You know, all the educational institutions of Bangladesh are closed for time being due to COVID-19 virus, which has spreaded not only Bangladesh, all over the world as an epidemic form. That is why we have started our online classes to make up your losses. Today, I like to discuss with you tense-based voice change. টেন্স ভিত্তিক ভয়েস পরিবর্তন। Before starting voice change, we should know what is voice and how many types of voice. Voice, at first voice is the form of the verbs which shows whether the subject act or is acted upon. There are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. What is active voice? When the subject of a verb is active, it is called active voice. Here I like to arise an example. I see a bird. When the subject of a verb is inactive, it is called passive voice. If I make it passive, the answer is a bird is seen by me. Here the verb is active and here the verb is inactive. I think you have understood what is the difference between active voice and passive voice. My dear learners, I like to remind you that only we can change the voice of transitive verb. What is transitive verb? Transitive verb is the verb which receives or accepts one or more objects. এখন আমরা টেন্স ভিত্তিক ভয়েস পরিবর্তনের প্রথমে আমরা শুরু করব প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সের ভয়েস পরিবর্তন। এখন আমরা টেন্স ভিত্তিক ভয়েস পরিবর্তনের প্রথম ধাপে প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সের ভয়েস পরিবর্তন করব। প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সের ভয়েস পরিবর্তন করতে গেলে আমরা শুধুমাত্র একটি স্ট্রাকচার ফলো করে টেন্স ভিত্তিক ভয়েস পরিবর্তন করতে পারি। স্ট্রাকচার অবজেক্টের সাবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম প্লাস অক্সিলারি verb according to the tense plus মূল verb এর past participle form plus by plus subject এর অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম। আমরা এই স্ট্রাকচারটা অনুসরণ করে এবং কিছু সামান্য অক্সিলারি ভার্বটা পরিবর্তন করে আমরা টেন্স ভিত্তিক ভয়েস পরিবর্তন করতে পারি। প্রথমে আসা যাক প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স। Tense. Here I can arise an example. I read a book. This is an example of present indefinite. We can change this active to passive following this structure. আমরা অবজেক্টিভ সাবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম লিখব, যেহেতু এখানে এ বুক আছে, এটার সাবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম হয় না এবং এটা যেটা আছে সেটাই সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হবে। এ বুক ইজ read by me. নেক্সট আমরা করব প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সের ভয়েস পরিবর্তন। Here I like to write an example. Active voice. She is writing a letter. Passive voice. Here also we can follow this structure. Objective subjective form. A letter is, যেহেতু আমাদের এই সেন্টেন্সটি প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে আছে, এই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা অবজেক্টকে সাবজেক্ট করার পর সাবজেক্ট অনুসারে ইজ বিং, এম বিং, আর বিং যে কোনো একটি বসাতে হবে অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য সাবজেক্ট। এ লেটার ইজ বিং written by her. Dear learners, we have completed present continuous tense and its voice change. Now I like to start present perfect tense and its voice change. If we want to the voice change of present perfect tense, we can change here only the auxiliary verb. Dear students, এখন আমরা প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সের ভয়েস পরিবর্তন করব। প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস। I have done the sum. This is an example of present perfect tense. It is in active voice. We change it passive voice. Take object as a subject. The sum has been done by me. If the sentence is in present perfect tense, taking the object as a subject, we have to use it has been or have been according to the subject. We have already completed present tense and its voice change. Now I like to start past tense and its voice change. At first, past indefinite. Active voice. I did the sum. This is an example of first indefinite. We also can change this voice following this structure. Take object as a subject. The sum was done by me. Next, I like to start first continuous tense. First continuous tense. If the sentence is in first continuous tense, how we can change is voice. Active voice. We are making a kite. Passive voice. We can follow this structure. Objective subjective form, auxiliary verb according to the tense. যেহেতু আমার এই সেন্টেন্সটি ফার্স্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে আছে, আমরা অবজেক্টকে সাবজেক্ট করার পর a kite was being made by us. Dear students, we have completed first continuous tense and its voice change. Now I like to start first perfect tense. স্ট্রাকচারটা লাগবে ফার্স্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স। হ্যাঁ, কোথা থেকে শুরু হয়েছে আমরা দেখা বন্ধ করছিলেন? বলেন, সমস্যা নেই। Now I like to start first perfect tense. Active voice. We had done the work. Passive voice. Take object as a subject. The work had been done by us. We take object as subject, then we used auxiliary verb according to the sentence, then used past participle form of the main verb according to the structure, then we used by and subjective objective form. We have completed first tense and its voice change. Now I like to start future tense and its voice change. Future indefinite. If the sentence is in future indefinite, how we change its voice? Active voice. I shall do the work. Passive voice. In this regard also we can follow this structure. Take object as a subject. The work will be done by me. Now I like to start future continuous tense and its voice change. active voice, we can arise here an example. We shall be making a card. This is an example of future continuous tense. Now we change its active to passive. Take object as a subject. A kite will be being made by us. We take object as a subject, then we used here auxiliary verb according to the tense, will be being, and then used first participle form of the main verb, then used preposition, and after the preposition we used subjective form of the objective form of the subject. The learners have completed future continuous tense. Now I like to start future perfect tense and its voice change. Future perfect tense. I shall have seen the famous man. This is an example of future perfect tense. We changed it active to passive also following this structure. Passive voice. Take object as a subject. The famous man will have been seen by me. Dear learners, we have already completed tense ভিত্তিক voice পরিবর্তন. This was last one. I think you have understood how we can change tense based voice change. If you follow this structure, simple structure, I think you will be able to change tense ভিত্তিক or tense based voice পরিবর্তন, and if you practice in house you will be able to do tense based voice পরিবর্তন very easily. Now I like to start another important rules. কোন সেন্টেন্সে যদি ডাবল অবজেক্ট থাকে তাহলে আমরা কিভাবে সেই সেন্টেন্সটির ভয়েস পরিবর্তন করব। ডাবল অবজেক্ট যুক্ত অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস কে প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে ডাবল অবজেক্ট যুক্ত অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েসকে প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে রূপান্তর। অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস our headmaster teaches us English. Dear learners, আমরা বলেছি যে কোনো একটি সেন্টেন্সে যদি ডাবল অবজেক্ট থাকে, কোনো সেন্টেন্সে যদি ডাবল অবজেক্ট থাকে তাহলে আমরা সেই সেন্টেন্সটাকে কিভাবে অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস থেকে প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে রূপান্তরিত করব। এখানে আমরা we can follow here two rules. We can take subject as which is an indirect object, and we can take also English as a subject which is a direct object. We can take us or English as a subject. At first I like to take us as a subject. Its subjective form is we. We are taught English. We can take us as a subject which is a direct object, indirect object. We are taught English by the head master. Another way we can do this passive voice. If we take English as a subject, we can do this active to passive. English is taught to us by the headmaster. Dear learners, follow these rules. I think you will be able to understand the rules. যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে ডাবল অবজেক্ট থাকে তাহলে আমরা সেই সেন্টেন্সটাকে কিভাবে অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস থেকে প্যাসিভ ভয়েস করব। আমরা বলেছিলাম যে there are two object here, one is indirect object, other is direct object. Indirect object means personal and direct object means material. We can take any one as a subject. If we take direct object as a subject, we have to use here to before the indirect object. Expert grammarian thinks this is the proper way and they like this way if we take the indirect object as a subject. When we used indirect object as a subject, here another object we placed in the same place. In English this is called retained object. Retained object. Dear learners, I think you have understood what I try to make you. If you practice in the house, you will be able to do tense based voice change. Today I like to close my class. Before closing my class, I like to warn you to observe all the rules of health and sanitation and maintain social distance for your safety and betterment. See you again. Have a nice day.